In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from Retool workflows. By the end, you'll know how to spin up a simple email sending workflow using Retool's workflow builder and AI generator, and how to make it live with a published release. Start by heading to retool.com in your browser. If you're prompted, sign into your workspace as you normally would. It helps to use a modern browser and a stable connection, since the generation step takes a moment. Once you're in, look for the Workflows area in the main navigation. This is where Retool lets you orchestrate back-end tasks like automations, schedules, and integrations all in one place. Click Workflows to open the dashboard. Here, you can see any existing workflows and create new ones. To begin, click Create New. This opens the options for building something from scratch or using helpers to speed things up. Choose Workflow. This tells Retool you want a standard workflow canvas where you can add triggers, actions, and logic. You'll see an editor that supports both manual configuration and AI-assisted setup. In the prompt box, type. Create a workflow of sending emails. Keep it simple for now. You can always refine later. If you already know specifics, like dynamic recipients, a subject line, or a data source, you could add that context, but for this walkthrough, the basic prompt is enough to generate a solid starting point. Next, click Generate. Retool's AI will read your prompt and scaffold a workflow, typically including a trigger and an email sending action. This step can take a little time, so be patient. While it's generating, avoid closing the tab. You may see status messages as nodes and parameters are created. Wait a few minutes for the generation to complete. When it's ready, you'll have a draft workflow. Take a moment to scan what was produced. You'll usually see steps you can tweak, like the email subject and body, and placeholders where credentials or environment variables may be needed in your own setup. You don't need to change anything right now unless you want to tailor the text or naming. Once you're satisfied, click Publish Release. Publishing moves your workflow from a draft to a versioned release, making it eligible to run according to how you trigger it in Retool. You can add a clear release name and description so future updates are easy to track, and you can revert if needed. That's it. You went from opening Retool to generating and publishing an email sending workflow with just a few clicks. From here, you can customize content, connect resources securely, and iterate as your use case grows.